Same old track and same old day, chugging dreams that fade away. What if rails could twist and bend? Could I find a different end? The crowd still waits with eyes so wide, but no more steam, no wheels to guide. Streets were loud, the space too small. This wasn't freedom after all. He tried to float where waves had been, but trains and seas don't mix or win. He climbed, but stones were sharp and tall, and soon he made a lonely call. No stars to greet, no tracks in sight, just heavy clouds and endless night. Is this the dream I chased so far? He asked beneath a desert star. They ask for you, the worker said. They miss your sound, your gentle tread. With letters full of warmth and care, "Dear train," they wrote, "we want you there." Back on the rails, through cheers and cries, he saw the joy in waiting eyes. A new route now, the maker said, to keep your heart and wheels well fed. The rails can guide, the path is wise, but love still fits beneath the skies.